What is up, guys? This is the one and only iEman. So today we're gonna be unboxing this. This by far is the most, well, it's the best affordable security camera you can actually buy right now on Amazon. And read all the reviews on this bad boy, and I was like, you know what? It's a steal. The cost is so low for the actual credibility and usability of this security camera. But yeah, we're gonna crack it open and we're gonna have a look. Anyway, before we do that, first of all, let me just take you guys a little bit through about this product. This is called blurams. The product name is blurams, company from blurams, and this is the smart outdoor camera. And apparently this is the Outdoor Pro, and resolution on this is 1080p HD. So yeah, I mean, in this day and age, it's still 1080p is still okay. I mean, it would have been nice to see the 4K feature, but I mean, in this day and age, 1080p is still more than enough. And this actually works with Alexa, and it works with Living Carefree as well. And a little bit of, information on this actual device. It can monitor your pet, it can be used as a pet care, baby monitor, elderly care as well, business security, and home security, and you can also share live as well. So you can actually share what the camera is viewing to other people as well, which is very, very nice in case you have someone else's, you can connect this up with another person's device, and say another person seeing what's going on and you're not, they can actually share that footage that they're getting to you, so you can see what's going on at your home. For example, your house is being burgled, or your pet is behaving abnormally, or anything like that, basically. So everyone's got your back. Anyway, there's nothing else in the box apart from a few information at the back over there, which is quite nice. And yeah, let's crack this box open. First of all, look, the box looks very, very nice. Kind of reminds me of the smartphone boxes, which are pretty cool. So they actually took their time developing this box, which is quite nice. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, I forgot to show you guys this part of the box. That's cool. That's cool. Basically, 1080p resolution, like I said, intelligent alarms. So, Starlight night vision. Oh my god, that is huge. You can see in the dark, when you can basically see what's going on your device, on the camera in the dark as well, because it's got that night vision mode there as well. It's got a hands-free two-way audio. Oh my god, that is brilliant. So you can actually talk on your phone, and the camera will live feed what you're saying to whoever you're saying it to. Say someone is robbing your house, or whatever you're monitoring, you can speak and they'll be able to hear you, and they'll be able to speak back to the camera, and you'll be able to actually hear what they're saying. It's good when you're getting a parcel delivered or something like that. You can actually tell the delivery guy where you want them to actually store your package, so it doesn't get stolen. And it's also got human detection as well. So it's gonna, as soon as it sees a human and detects a human, it starts recording for like any abnormal business or anything like that. Also, it's got siren and spotlight as well. Also I actually watched the review video on Amazon of this, and the alarm on this thing is actually really loud, so that's very good. So that's for safety purposes as well. And it's weather resistant, up to, and IP65 water resistant rating as well, so it's nice. And 190-degree wide angle, so you get that nice wide angle, so you can get everything pretty much that you're trying to look at in the frame. And it's got a privacy zone, so pretty much what that means is when you don't want the camera to be on at a certain time, it will completely shut off, and it won't take any video recording at all, just in case you got it in the house and you want to jiggy with your wife or girlfriend in the bedroom, you can stop, so no one's gonna see what's wagwan. And yeah, that's the cool features at the moment. So let's just slide this out the box, and wow, big props to blurams for their box quality. Is actually really nice. Now at the front here you just have the camera, which is pretty damn cool. So we'll get to that later. Let's just pull this out. My God. Okay. I don't even know what to pull out first. Okay, that's all in the box. So this is it. This is it. Forgot to tell you guys, this is actually wall mountable, which is pretty damn cool. So you can mount it outside your house. Obviously it's waterproof, so you can mount it outside the house, so you can obviously monitor everything that's going on. And then yeah, what else is in there? So obviously you got the camera, which is quite nice. This is high quality stuff. It's made out of plastic, but I mean it's quite hefty. It does feel like, you know, like something that's been well made, which is very nice. That's awesome. Now let's put that to the side. What else do we have in the box? We have some screws. You've got some screws to screw it onto the wall, if you want to. What else do we have in here? We have some stickers. Oh wow, we got some stickers. Well, that's cool. Oh wow, we've got some stickers so you can stick on anywhere around the house, so everyone that walks past that's about to do something stupid will know that it's being recorded on camera by the company called blurams, which is great. And what's this? We've got like a little sticker thing to kind of tell you to tell you where to drill for wall mounting purposes, which is very nice. I'm going to be using that. And here we just have a little bit of, we have like a little thing here of instructions on how to get set up and how to use the device as well, which is pretty damn cool, all the way there. And then in here also we have a charging brick. Well, not necessarily a charging brick, but this is what's actually going to give the camera and power to obviously record. And yeah, this is quite a nice feature as well, because it's nice. And obviously USB-C as well, so that is pretty cool. And then you got this little thing to kind of I don't know what you do with this. Anyway, the camera looks awesome. Like I said, the build quality is absolutely beautiful. And obviously you got that USB-C, USB cable over there that obviously powers the whole device. And yeah, it's quite nice. Obviously you can pivot it whichever way you want, which is very nice. You can pivot it whichever way you want. And yeah, and then in here, oh, this is what this is for. There we go. Screw that out. Oh, there we go. Oh wow. This actually takes SD cards as well. It takes, I believe, up to 128 gig of SD card as well. Oh my god, which is very nice, so you can store all your footage and files on there, no problem at all. But yeah, build quality is just absolutely awesome. It's neat. It's absolutely beautiful. Wow, that's nice. That's nice. Obviously, you got this like little mechanism over here to tighten and loosen this. So if you get it in place, whichever way you want it, so you can actually tighten this up. You can actually tie it up and it will stay there and it won't really move. But yeah, that's pretty cool. And obviously you got the speaker down there as well, so you have your two-way communication as well. Let's build this up. Oh my goodness. Ooh, wow. Look at the camera lens. That's nice. That's pretty cool. I can't wait to see this thing in action. But yeah guys, that's been the unboxing on the best security camera that I can actually find on Amazon at the moment. But yeah, this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you've enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And also let me know what color that subscribe button changes for you when you hit it. And also like button as well. Tell me what color it changes for you. And yeah, I'll see you guys for the next one. Peace.